To solve another Leetcode problem, 1228, missing number in arithmetic progression. So we are giving an array, and inside it's going to be just integers. So it's going to be starting from 0 to 10 to the power 5, and the given array is guaranteed to be a valid array. So this means, yeah, it must be valid for the arithmetic progression. Yeah. So the values were in arithmetic progression, so the values, it means array I plus 1 minus array I are all equal for every I more than equal to 0, less than, n minus 1. So a value from array was removed that was not the first or last. So actually for this array there must be a value which is removed. So for example, for this one it's going to be a 9, and for the second one it's going to be 14, but we don't know which value it is. So if we know which value it is removed, definitely we can return the answer. But this is just a mathematical problem, and likely for us the first and the last value is not removed. So this means we can use the first and the last value. But how can we use that? Because it is arithmetic progression, we can try to calculate the distance. So distance, I'm going to use a difference actually. But before calculating the distance, let me just sort the array. So we can sort it. So array.sort. Now I'm going to use the array minus 1 minus array 0 to calculate the distance. So the distance is going to be the last one minus the first one, and and divided by the length of the array. So this is going to be the distance. So in this example, it is 13 minus 5, which is going to be 8. 8 divided by 2, 8 divided by 4, which is going to be 2. So the distance is going to be 2, and the value of the n going to be the length of the array. Now if we already know the distance, basically we know how to calculate. So if this is arithmetic progression, we can calculate the total sum of all the numbers, even include the removed number. Because the final result is going to be this value minus the sum of the array, definitely. And the total sum include the removed element, which is going to be n plus 1. So that's going to be the total element. So currently n equals to those elements, but there's one which is removed, so we're going to plus 1. And times how many elements? So the element is going to be array 0, the first one, plus the last one, array -1, and divided by 2. So this is the formula which we're gonna use to calculate. So actually this one plus this one divided by 2, it is the average value of all the elements. So this is the average, so times all the elements, which is n plus 1. And this is the total sum of all the elements, include the removed one, and then we're gonna minus the total element. So what left behind is the removed one, which is this 9. Now let me just run it and submit it to check if it works. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. So the time complexity is n log n because we unsorted this array, and n gonna be on just 1000. And this is a totally mathematical problem, and this formula is like the primary school mathematics. I hope everybody should know this kind of a formula. Thanks for watching. See you next time.